Yes. So good morning. How are you?
Yeah, good morning. I'm fine. And what about you? How are you?
I'm also good.
Okay. So have you done your breakfast?
Nothing. It will. I will just take the 12 p.m.
Okay.
Um,
That's it. So
yes.
when you eat lunch?
Yes. Yes. That's what the lunch and whatever you want to say. It's the same.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Actually, last.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Can you speak loudly?
Yeah, definitely. Now it's fine.
Yes, it's fine. Yeah. So, I mean, yesterday when we talked, so I couldn't understand what you told about yourself because there was network issue. So could you give your intro once again?
Yeah, definitely. So new. My name is Lavanya, and I'm from Chhattisgarh. And if you talk about my education, so I have done my degree. It's a BSc Biology, and now I'm doing master degree. It's my final year, like special educator. And I have one start. I have one business. It's a salon, and even I have five staff in my under. And if you talk about my hobby, so I love cooking and dancing and reading, writing, and even car driving. So whenever I go, sometimes feel like uh, tension and all, so go for long drive because I feel relaxed and peaceful. And sometimes I'm listening to music and sing a song. I love sing a song. That's it.
Nice to hear. Nice to amazing. So now it's my part. So my name is Asper. I'm from UP and I complete my master with political science. My hobbies are reading books, diet writing, practicing yoga. Additionally, I'm preparing for the civil services. So it is all about me.
That's
Yesterday when you mentioned about your yesterday you mentioned about your hobbies. Yesterday, but you didn't tell these kind of the hobbies, which are quite interesting for
actually,
me to understand.
I have lots of hobby, and when I whenever I get free time, so I enjoy my hobby on myself. Even I'm walking, so sometimes I sing song and I'm listening to music. Evening time, I'm walk on garden 7 o'clock, 7 to 8 o'clock. Every day I walk 1 hour, so I'm
Okay, so
listening. And,
on
yeah,
the street,
what
you work on the street or just in the park?
on park?
Okay, and so let me ask the question related with your hobbies. First of all, come to dancing, then come to the song. So yes, tell me about your dancing.
Actually, I'm not a good dancer, but I love to dance. So uh, sometimes I dance and I enjoy.
Yes, definitely. When we do the dance, so we enjoy it automatically. No need
Yeah,
to have just someone to dance. Yes, and another question is related with your hobbies also. That's about the singing. I mean, listening to the music you mentioned about that. So, what kind of
yeah.
song do you? What kind of song do you like and to listen?
I like to Bollywood song, sometimes English song because now I'm learning English. So actually earlier I enjoy my hobby, but now I'm not enjoy because I'm learning English because I want to become a fluent speaker. So that's reason. So now I'm only for again and again listening to conversation video, and whenever I get free time, so sometimes I call with strangers and then now earlier like 2 days ago, so now I'm had a session video call. Yeah, that's it.
Yes. You mean you listen the Bollywood song? In my case, I also like the Bollywood song 90 era.
Okay,
Not the now. These
I
songs are not
listened
so.
17 and even now. Actually, I love Guru Randhawa and I'm listening more. I love
Which
Punjabi song.
Punjabi? Yes, Punjabi
Yeah,
song also very good. When we listen to the Punjabi song, we feel
mhm.
like we should start the dancing in
Yeah,
the way. It's sometimes I also try to pull my leg. while listening to the song because I mean they are very amazing. And on the Bollywood, I mean the 90 era songs are very nice and very, we can say, very soothful, very soothing. But nowadays the songs are not so good. So
Yeah.
do you ask,
Yes. Yeah.
just do you want to ask something?
No, no, you are asked. And then I
Yes,
definitely ask.
yes. So I was asking that apart from the music, do you also like or love by listening to the bhajan?
What?
I'm asking, do you listen to the music? I mean, the songs are like bhajan kind of a song.
Yeah, obviously. I love bhajan. And
That
even every Thursday, so I fast. I love Sai Baba and I pray also.
yes, actually, I just forgot by admiring you and appreciate you that you are a very punctual person. Because I was just thinking that you would not be, presented at the time. So I just no, I just went to take the bath. I thought that, but when I came out, I just saw your message, and then I thought you are a very punctual person. Uh,
Yeah, even
yes.
earlier I'm posted in manager. So that times I'm also very punctual. Even now I'm very punctual. Sometimes I mean to say miss my punctuality, but yeah, but I'm very punctual girl. Even at that time, like, sometimes
Yes.
I miss, but now, yeah,
I think the punctuality is very important, very
yeah,
crucial for an because if we are not punctual, then it does not give the good impression
yes.
if we are doing something.
And
And
even
just so
yeah, even sometimes I miss my exercise and sometimes I miss my study and also that times I'm scolding on myself. It's not a good.
yes, right. Yes,
Yeah, and
and
why are you do that type situation and also and I'm scolding again and again and then okay, okay, it's fine. Yeah.
so how do you scold? How do you scold yourself?
On myself, it's not a good Lavanya. You are not a good girl. You are miss your punctuality and you miss your study and reading. So that types. So and even I promise that at that time I promise and then I'm correct.
I was thinking that you slap yourself while
No,
scolding.
never. I never slap myself and I never hurt myself because I love myself.
Yes, we should do that. And you mentioned about exercise.
Yeah.
And do you go to gym?
No, actually, I do only for the home. I do only home.
Okay, you do that at your home. Yes, I
Yes.
think you don't need to go to the gym. You are
No,
perfectly well.
actually, I want to go for gym because, but it's a too far, like 20, 15 minutes, but it's a too much taking time. So that's reason I never go for gym. I at home only. And
Yes,
then
but
I put my earbuds on my ear and then I started at least 1 hour every day. And sometimes I mean to say laziness and all. So 1 week at least one times I stop.
okay. And what I was asking to you, I just forget. Yes, I was just saying that you don't need to go the gym because you are physically very fit. Not need to. It's
Yeah,
like as
I'm fit because I'm very health conscious girl. Even uh, whenever I go for eat and all. So I'm I mean to say I eat only for less oily food. Even I never consume in what kind is sugar and all.
okay, you are very mindful about your health. Yes, I too, and I don't take spicy foods, and like we take the what we call samosa, and we call pani puri. I don't take like these because these things are somewhere anti health. which
Yeah,
can be the cause to our health. I never take like that. And yes, I think nowadays having the aware with the health is very important because health is the wealth. If you are very much aware about what is happening with yourself, then you can help to others. Like just suppose if you are yourself sick, so how would you help to others? So first of all, be very healthy and be very pleasant, be very decent. Yes, right.
you are
You
right.
know what I was asking you yesterday. I was asking you that I just watched your profile and I just mentioned you yesterday, but you couldn't pay the attention on myself. I was just saying that you should try for the what I was saying, modeling. That would be
Oh
very
my.
nice. Yes, it's a nice thing.
Actually, I love but even my parents they don't allow me, and even never go for another state. So that's reason I stay in my city, and yeah,
Do you know what is the modeling?
yeah. Obviously, I know modeling.
Yes,
Yeah,
I think you are very perfect person to. I mean, generally because the kind of personality you are, that very very suitable for the for any girls to go for the modeling. And
yes, yes,
I consider myself that yes, you should go for that, but it's your choice. It's not your choice; it's your family choice. This is the
even
paradox we can say.
actually, I want to become I mean to say air hostess. But even my parents, they didn't allow me to don't go for higher study and all. So that times I'm feeling, like tension and all. But I'm choose and then I choose special educator. But it's fine, look like a doctor. So I love, and yeah, now I'm waiting for my result and then go for government job.
Do you also like the government job?
Yeah, obviously.
What kind of job?
I already mentioned na, कि I'm waiting for my result.
No, in the
The
government job, there are multiple jobs are there.
mhm.
So I'm just asking that, I mean, what are the jobs for you if you get the opportunities to get them?
Actually, I want to government for whenever I saw in police IPS officer. So that times I love and I like, but it's
Like,
yeah, obviously, and but actually, it's a too much taking time and again preparing and all. So at least hardly, I mean to say 8 hours, sometimes 5 hours. So it's I don't have that much time. So that's reason. And yeah, but I
yes,
like this and all because even my height 5'5", so that's reason I think so.
okay. I mean, yes, you can also become an IS officer, but point is that you should be ready for that. You can take out time from your spare time, like if you are at your beauty parlor, just take out some time of that. But the thing is that you should be very desirous for that. You will have to take the actions, and more than the action, there should be the very inner desire for anything. And during the study, 5 to 10 hours is not so big deal. We do generally those who are preparing for the civil services. It's the daily deal.
Yeah, it's not a big deal, but I mean to say I'm engaged, even my study and even my parlor. So that's reason sometimes I'm very, I mean to say, what I can say busy. So that's reason.
Yes, so you are running your own
Yeah,
business, so
preparing. But earlier I'm preparing, so I mean to say max and all. So that times I'm very nervous and I mean to say I'm listening and even I'm writing. So that times, oh my God, it's a very hectic. Yeah. So that's reason sometimes I'm not do.
yes, I want to ask you another things to you. You always keep smiling, keep happy in the way, or you are um, just talking, then you are so happy and so joyful.
I always is smiling. Even my friends, even my colleagues, even my parents also. So when I talk, so sometimes I smile. And
Yes, that's
I
nice.
don't know. But I mean to say, when I talk, so I smile and yeah, even I'm taking joke also. I'm little bit funny person, I think so.
Yes, I can see. I can see that. I can see that
Yeah,
it's. It can be read from your face that you are that kind of the girls. Like I mean, not
yeah.
you are always. I mean, the keep mingle with the very quickly. And what I was asking to you, I just forget you once again. Just you can ask.
Okay. So what I can ask? So what's your hobby?
My hobby is also very much same. Reading the books and diary writing, listening to the
Mhm.
music, and some extent I would say I also talk to the co-learners. I don't say the stranger because they are not so stranger when we are talking to them. So it's mean that they are not a stranger. The strangers means that we are visiting somewhere. If someone meet us, so we can call that person a stranger. But calling to the co-learner is not the stranger thing. I don't think like that.
So when you started your learning journey, oh my God, light is gone. Wait a minute.
No, you are visible.
Now,
Yes, you are visible. So you are
even so, even yesterday also we connect that time. Light is gone.
because lie does not want that we should talk. So it may be the reason.
Okay.
Yes, and so I started my journey in the October month last year.
Mm-hmm.
Very soon I'm going to complete the 1 year of my this English journey,
Okay.
and multiple things I also faced, and I'm also
Mm-hmm.
trying to, and even I'm also struggling with so many things. But I would say in my case, the journey has been very beautiful, very meaningful compared to the previous days. I also had a very different kind of personalities. I used to be very shy person, that kind of person, very introvert. Even now, I'm so very introvert. But I try to. But yes, I'm the person that can make the smile to anyone. If that person is angry like that, I'm very childish like that kind of person. And
Okay.
I have tried to create this aura even in my
Mm-hmm.
speaking journey so that I can make the other person very comfortable. Because I do generally these things in the Hindi when we talk, I talk my friends and my family members. But I decide that I would apply that things with my co-learners when I would talk to the someone else, and I do like that.
Oh, that's nice. And even
Yeah.
me too. In even when I my childhood, so that times I'm very shy girl. Even when I go for I mean to say uh, road and also that times I'm very hesitate, even nervousness, and even I'm crying also. But now I'm very what I can say. I mean to say I'm not hesitation, and even